Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Hogan-Togler. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
Doing good, doing good. I don't have Mr. Shirk or Ms. Kent in the waiting room yet. Has a waiver been filed? Because I know.
Yeah, they filed one late yesterday, Your Honor. It probably hasn't hit the docket yet.
Okay. Let me take a look real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay. We are here on the case of Kent versus Kent, 20DR 365. Please enter your appearance.
Emily Hogan-Togler from Absolute Law for the petitioner, Ronnie Kent.
All right. And with you is your client, Mr. Kent?
Mr. Kent is present before the court, Your Honor.
Good morning. I understand that the parties have reached an agreement.
They have, Your Honor, that the 11th hour yesterday we did.
Okay, that's great news. And has a waiver been filed to your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it does not appear that Mr. Shirk or Ms. Kent are in the waiting room here today. Is there any reason we shouldn't proceed to final dissolution?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Madam Clerk, can you please swear in Mr. Kent?
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Mr. Kent, can you please state your name and date of birth for the record?
Ronald Kenneth Kent. My date of birth is 7/1/1986.
Okay, thank you. Please proceed, Ms. Hogan-Togler.
Sir, to whom are you currently married?
Cassidy Lee Kent.
And when were you married?
December 1st, 2012.
Are either you or Ms. Kent members of the armed forces?
No, ma'am.
Have either of you resided in the state of Florida for more than 6 months prior to the filing of the petition?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your marriage irretrievably broken?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything that can be done to salvage it?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any minor children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their names?
Peyton Marie Kent and Tanner Kenneth Cole Kent.
Is Ms. Kent currently pregnant?
No, ma'am.
Have you and Ms. Kent signed a settlement agreement and parenting plan resolving all the issues pertaining to your marriage and the parenting of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had the opportunity to review those agreements again?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you recognize the signatures on those agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe that they are fair and reasonable and in the best interest of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you freely and voluntarily entered into that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Ms. Kent asking the court to restore her maiden name?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to dissolve your marriage and adopt those agreements as ordered of the court?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay, the court has reviewed the file, including the marital settlement agreement and the parenting plan and the amended or the updated parenting plan that was filed very recently. The court finds that it has jurisdiction over the subject matter and the parties, that at least one party has been a resident of the state of Florida for 6 months prior to filing this petition, and that the marriage is irretrievably broken. The court will therefore dissolve the marriage and restore the parties back to single status. The court also finds that the parties have freely and voluntarily entered into both the marital settlement agreement and the parenting plan. The court does find that the parenting plan is in the best interest of both of the minor children, and therefore will reserve jurisdiction to enforce the terms of both the marital settlement agreement and the parenting plan. Ms. Hogan-Togler, do you know if Ms. Kent is seeking a change of her to her maiden name?
She's not, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I am very happy that the parties were able to reach an agreement. I think it's a great step to co-parenting Tanner and Peyton, and I wish your family the best of luck in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you all. Is there anything else, Ms. Hogan-Togler?
Nothing further, Your Honor. May we be excused?
You may. I've received the final judgment. I'm just going to look it over, and I should be able to sign it today.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye. Bye, Melissa.
Bye. You have a
Have a
great
great
day.
day.
Yes.